Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 13 Pro Plus and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with finding and opening the settings. So let me quickly add them to the home page and let's open them. Now we have to scroll and find wallpapers and style. Let's tap on it here. Now we have to enter this wallpaper section, and as you can see here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. They are pre-installed and you can of course tap on more wallpapers and then enter those which are available online. As you can see, I do not have my internet connection, that's why I cannot show you them. Alright, so all we have to do is to tap on the specific wallpaper to show it on the full screen. So let me choose maybe this one. So simply tap on it, and as you can see it will appear on the full screen. So all you have to do is to tap on apply, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will choose both options. So let me tap on it, tap on apply. Now we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.